video number 2. We are just driving around Clear Creek, and that is near, I believe it's Redding, California. I'm going to head down. There's supposed to be some really cool falls and a little river. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna find out if it's cool or not. So we're gonna go down. Hopefully we don't die. It looks a little treacherous. The camera makes it look a little bit less than it is, but it's pretty steep. So hopefully we can get to the river. See water. Look, there it is. So we actually found it. It's so cool. I would have to say a 5. It's totally beautiful here. I mean, a little bit of walk going down, but it's amazing. And so that was really cool. And we'll go up.
So, do you know anything
Looks like a
about
dead end
techno?
coming up here, but the moss is so cute. Well, that was Clear Creek Gorge. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did and you want to, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow, and I'm just starting out, so every little bit helps. But I will see you guys in the next video. So love you. Bye bye.